get recycled. 99% will end up here, dumped and burned in landfill.
Our Earth at this point is not capable of absorbing the huge amount of clothing that is produced each year.
But what if all those wasted clothes could be saved and turned into something else? I've come to a town in Italy called Prato. This place has mastered a method to transform old scraps into new clothes.
Questo ci fa essere fieri.
What happens here is unique. There are hundreds of companies in this small district, and each specializes in one specific aspect of the process, whether it's spinning, weaving, or designing. And today, incredibly, this town says it processes 15% of all recycled clothes in recycling. Here, it's sorted by colour, torn apart, washed, and then the new recycled material is taken and transformed to make new clothes with minimal waste. That was very quick. Let's go through the process again. You donate clothes. They arrive here from lots of different countries. All the garments that can't be sold second-hand are taken to this company nearby. Here, not only are they separated by colour, but also by material.
I think these used to be trousers.
Quanti vestiti vengono processati qui ogni giorno?
Circa 25 tonnellate al giorno.
The clothes are put in this. It's called a carbonizing machine. It eliminates impurities from the wool. Then they go through this. It's like a giant washing machine. They're shredded, cleaned, and dried. This is the final result. Your old clothes have been transformed into these fine, fluffy wool fibers.
So at the end of the process, this is what the new recycled materials look like. They're placed here until a fashion brand buys them and uses them to make clothes.
Some people might say that you are using trash to make clothes.
Se questo era vero fino a qualche anno fa, e quindi la parola rifiuto poteva essere un dispregiativo nel prodotto, oggi molti brand e molti retailer, proprio in funzione di salvare il pianeta, salvare l'ambiente, recuperare risorse.
Recycling wool is great for the environment. CO2 emissions are more than halved compared to when clothes are made from new material.
We have an immediate impact on animal welfare because you reduce the stress that you have to put on the animals to get the wool. Almost complete elimination of dyes because the way the wool is recycled is an assortment by color.
This is a method that's been passed on from father to son.
The culture in Prato is the kind of culture that we need across the entire fashion industry because it is based on collaboration that are local but are capable of showing how if these things are taken international or global scale, the entire industry could benefit.
The people of this town were forced to recycle clothes because they couldn't afford new ones.